I wanted to come out with you because it's early in the morning and no one's running their lawnmowers yet. But I haven't shown anybody anything in the garden in a while, so I thought we should come and check it out. It's early in the morning, and it's in the 50s. I have to wear a sweater. It's really cold, and we just had like 100-degree weather like 2 days ago. But it is August 2nd. I gotta get back in here again and do some more weeding. Oh, look, I have a phlox. I planted this a long time ago. Oh, we had wind and rain yesterday. Look at the size of some of these things. And look at the tithonias. Here, I'm gonna have to give you a shot from farther away so you can see how big they got. Look at the size of these things. Here's a plant worthy of me taking a closer look at. And I apologize for the chainsaw, which should not be running right now because it's illegal to run power tools at this hour in my town. But anyway, back to the plant. This is a balsam, which is a self-sowing annual related to impatiens, and you can see that they look like impatient leaves. It self-sows easily, which is how it ended up in this container. But these little seed pods will mature and pop. And I don't have any mature ones ready to show you, but it's easy to collect the seeds too. And they come in lots of colors. These are like pinks and purples here. But there's a plant of note. Balsam. Did I mention that it was like 55 degrees? This pot is really, I'm loving this. This is a species petunia that I bought seeds of a couple years ago that seeded itself in here. But this is the reason this pot is here. I stuck a piece of hydrangea from that bush right there in the pot, and it's rooting. But I love this. Anyway, I wanted to show you in the back. Oh yeah, and I put my tent up in here. I'm using that as a bird blind so that I could sit out here and see the hummingbirds that come into the trumpet vine here. And my obedient plant. But let's see. Oh my gosh, something ate. Something ate. This is it. Something ate our purple cone flowers that we've been growing all year. Oh my goodness. Well, there you go. That's gardening. But it is a wonderful cacophony of beautiful things right here. And these verbascum, mullein is another name for them. These are great for attracting wildlife. There's a little, I think it's a downy woodpecker that comes every day and sits on these. And I don't know if he's eating the seeds or there's little insects in there. But that was our quick stroll around the garden today. One St. John's wort. Thank you for being here with me today. Thank you so much for hanging around with me for a little while in the garden today. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not. And until next episode, bye for now.